check out the apocalyptic niches and find what you like. How to launch a product, how to start your private label business. Check how many products did they launch in the last 12 months. You can just ask them, how many products did you launch in the last 12 months? Can you show me your results? Let's get directly started. Hello guys, welcome back to Amazon Realtalk. In today's episode I will share with you my tips and recommendation for the coming year 2023. What will change for us as Amazon sellers and how should we react? Okay, without further BS, let's get directly started. Number 1. No growth. The demand will not grow. I assume that the global demand in e-com and Amazon in particular will even continue to drop as it happened in 2022. As we face a global recession right now, I think this downtrend will stay for longer and I don't expect to return back to bull market in 2023. So when we think that the demand will drop or at least not grow, we should change our forecast for the supply chain. Right now we lower our quantities by around 20 to 25% to reduce the money freeze and overstock. I recommend you to check your forecast as well. Number 2. High exchange rate risk for EU, UK and Japan. As the local currencies dropped dramatically already in 2022, I expect this trend to continue in 2023 as well. We must be ready for this. In our company, we change all of our invoices and contracts from Chinese suppliers from USD to renminbi right now. Then we avoid one more currency risk when transferring from renminbi to the expensive USD and then to the cheap Euro, British Pound or Yen. My recommendation here, consider changing the invoice currency if you also have currency exchange risk. Number 3. New growing niches. As a result of the changing world order and the current war in Europe, there are a lot of new profitable niches that are still growing super quickly. For example, everything around survival, heating, energy efficiency and energy generation, power banks and batteries, prepper kits, electromobility and self-protection. Check out the apocalyptic niches and find what you like. The world is changing even quicker now and offers new opportunities to all of us. And number 4, higher professionalization and expertise throughout the Amazon space. That means that we have more serious competition now with a lot of skilled experts, PPC agencies, launch agencies, supply chain and account management agencies. It becomes more and more difficult to sustain as a one-man show. So 2023 will be the time when you need to get support from experts, hire expertise in your team and take external advice, coaching, consultation, and I mean only from proven experts. There are too many people out there now that want to make their business with shovels during the gold digging time. But only less than 5% are actually really experts and walk the walk instead of talking the talk. So please make fact check before you hire somebody. If someone wants to teach you how to launch a product, how to start your private label business, check how many products did they launch in the last 12 months. You can just ask them, how many products did you launch in the last 12 months? Can you show me your results? And this will save you from making wrong decisions and wasting a lot of money. And for sure you can ask those questions me as well. So thank you for watching. I would love to hear from you how much you want to invest in your private label business on Amazon. Please share your ideas in comments below. See you in the next episode of Amazon Realtalk. Take action. The obstacle is the way and cheers guys.